I'm going to show you guys what to do if your screen is fully working, your computer is on. I fixed this problem, but I'm showing you the solution. And your computer's on, but you've got no display whatsoever. Now this worked for me. It might not 100% work for you, but it's better than trying because this took me hours to figure out. What you're going to want to do is obviously open the case. I don't recommend leaving it on carpet, but I've got no choice. And use something to keep it up. I keep it on these things so it's levitated off the ground. Before you continue on, make sure you turn this off, power button, just press it on. The reason I say this is because sometimes it has reserve power stuck in here, so you just want to make sure you get all of that out. So for me it's a little bit awkward, but you got 2 RAM slots, and here you've got my very old Hyper 212 Evo. This thing still works well after like 10 years. It's a fossil, but it still works. So what I did is I undid these clips right here. As you can see, they can just unclip like so, and you can just take out your RAM simply by grabbing it. Just simply take it out like so. So this is what I did. I took out this RAM stick and I took out that other RAM stick. Since I can't fully take it out, what I did is I unlocked it, I pulled it up as much as I could, and I just pushed it back in. And I'm going to do the same with this one. And when you're putting your RAM sticks back in, make sure this is opened like so, and when you push this in, this will just automatically snap into place like so. Now just connect it all up and put it on a levitating thing, either a wooden piece of board, that's fine, just not on carpet. Why is it not working? Oh yes, I know. Now if we're done correctly, this should boot up like normal. Ta-da, it all works now. If this helped you, that is very cool, and the lighting here is bad, so I'm just gonna do this, like, follow, all that sort of stuff, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.